Right, hopefully got you in focus. Clean that up, made the hole slightly bigger, left hand thread, so get this to turn in the correct way. He says so I went round the inner threads with a wire brush. This has all got to go through and be cleaned up. I had a bit of a file around the two slots. Oh. Right, so I'm going to just give that a gentle. Oh. Why aren't we going round any more then? Oh, it's pretty tight, that's why. Don't need that much tighter than that. Check that in there. Got the clearance. So can you see the where are we? Do you need to go up a bit? Need a camera stand. No, hold on. Right. Yeah, got you looking at the back of the bike. Right, put that to one side. Sip of tea. Right, spindle spacer. So take the hub. Take that. Oh. Knock that back into there. Flip her over. Got bearing spacer. Drop that into there. Get that brake plate all in, and that goes through. Comes in from that side. Slide it out a bit. Get the big nut on. Right. So that's pulled up. Just pull that into place with the nut for a minute. Right, let's take the nut off. Hopefully we can get this oh, womble. Let's put that. So let's get off the stand and have a look. So my understanding from the parts and other pictures now, the brake torque arm goes on the outside through the hollow spacer and is sandwiched between the plunger and the big nut. So obviously it's loose at the moment. Chuck it back on the little stand. Excuse the seasickness. Pretty good view, apart from you want them to tip off. Right, let's try it at this angle. So with that spacer now fitted, we should be able to get that pretty good ways into the back of the drum, and then you should be able to line that up and then get the spindle to start going through. Try and stay out of your way. Let's help the right, spindle tapped in. Can we get, no, why does it that want to be at the bottom and this one want to be at the top? Bit of tightness on that. Push this one back. Right then, could really do with the wheel to square this lot up. How far are we up? We're pretty high up there. Just right, that feels pretty good. Get the brake plate to go in the right place. Oh yeah, that's gained us a bit more room. Yeah, could do with the parts to thread the yeah. even got the right, got the, can you see, got a pretty close gap on the splines now. Got to figure out why, focus, well, that is tightening up. That's not exactly even in there. I got a reasonable amount of spindle coming through. Got the spacer, focus, spacer in there, and we look, there is the gearbox sprocket. So gearbox is not perfectly mounted in there, but pretty in line looking down the side. And got to put new bearings in this, so this is alright. And then if we get a brake action, right, somewhere there. What else have we got? Oh well, quite pleased with that. Chain guard next, get a chain guard, see if we can make these fit better, make that close a little bit better, get that in with some fixings, square that up a little bit better, repair the gearbox threads, just carry on playing. Could put the front wheel in, I suppose. Oh well, thanks for watching, cheers.